All right, Uintagarage here. Again, as you can see behind me, we have yet another blazer up on the trailer here. Now, this blazer belongs to our friend Jason, and what we're going to be doing with this thing is putting a full cage in it. As you can see, there's not a whole lot of blazer left, but that's because this thing is going to be a dedicated rock crawler. So we're doing slider bars, full custom cage, seat tubes, the whole works. So we're going to be busy for the next little bit working on this, so be sure to stay tuned to Uintagarage, and it's time to get this thing off the trailer. When we first got this truck, it was stripped down to just the bare essentials. Ready to rock crawling, all it needed was a nice cage. First thing we had to do was trim up the fenders and get it ready for a nice set of rock sliders so we have a stable base to build the rest of the cage off of. With the rock sliders done, it's time to bring Jason back in so we can get the seating position correct. Want to make sure the cage fits the driver as best as possible. About halfway through the process, we bring Jason back in for a little progress update and to make sure he likes what he's seeing. I think it's safe to say he does. The cage is coming along nicely, so it's time to whip out the blue tape and make sure that we get all the rest of the tubes in exactly where we want them. For the final welding, we put the truck up on the lift so we can make sure we get nice welds all along the frame so everything's tied in real nice. With that done, we wheeled the truck outside to get ready for the final reveal. We're here with our good friend Jason. We just built him a full custom cage. Excited to see it? All the way. Right on. Let's go check it out. Come on back, guys. Got all our first gens back here with our Jason's first gen rock crawler we're about to reveal. This thing turned out sick. You're gonna love this. Wow. Yeah? Wow. Full custom rock crawler cage, ready to go bang this thing off anything you want. It's amazing. Yeah, we really think it turned out great. Everything you asked for, everything is it exactly what you wanted?
Yeah, it's amazing. I can't believe that you guys accomplished this in such a short time.
Yeah, we really wanted to bust it out quick because, you know, it sucks to have your truck sitting in a shop for months and months and you don't know what's going on. Are they working on it? Are they not? And so we got this thing knocked out.
Wow, this is amazing.
Let's take a look.
The craftsmanship is just unbelievable.
You like this
Oh, I love it. I love everything, man. It's just from every angle.
Yeah, we're happy about it too. We thought it turned out pretty cool.
Yeah, this is amazing.
If you need a cage and no one else can help, and if you can find it, maybe you can hire the cage team at Uintagarage.
Go ahead.
Balance test. Go like this. Cross your fingers. Put them down like this. Now look at the bottom of your left foot.
The bottom of my left foot.
The bottom of it.
You're gonna have to lift it up. The point is to lift your foot so you can.
Lift your foot. Aye.